what's up YouTube? Welcome to GorgeousOneMink. We're gonna get straight into this review. I decided I wanted to do a review on two eyeliners, which is the Palladio. I'm not sure how you pronounce this word, so if I am slaughtering this word, please excuse me. But I have one in the dark brown, which, let's see, this is, I don't know if you guys can see that. Dark brown and EL 193. And I also have the light brown. Okay, and this is in EL 194. Now, before I get started and show you guys the colors, I am really running low on doing my eyebrows. And this is what my pencil looks like right now. Trying to save it, you know. So this one does not have that red tint, what I was talking about in my last video, my rainbow haul. I was looking for an eyeliner that was brown. I just want brown. I don't want the reddish tint, excuse my voice, the reddish tint in it. And this is, let me see if you guys can see that. This is what this one looks like, and I'm gonna do a little swatch. See that? Okay, so we're gonna do a swatch of, this is the dark brown, and this is how the dark brown looks. Let's see if you guys can see. I don't know, it's not focusing right. Okay, this is how the dark brown looks. Oh wow, I really like this one. Okay, this is the dark brown. Add a little, let's see, right here. Okay, and we're gonna do a swatch on the light brown. Okay, this is the dark brown right here. So we're gonna do the light brown. Guys, I am amazed. Okay, I think it might be the light brown. This is the light brown that I just swatched. This is the dark brown, and this is my old one, the little small one. I really think these two match. And I don't see a reddish tint, but we have to see how it looks on the eyebrow. And because I see that the light brown looks like that will be a match, I'm going to try that one first. So let's just go ahead and start. I'm gonna do this side. This side is gonna be the light brown. This side is gonna be the dark brown. Okay, if you see me looking this way, I have another mirror here because I can't look into the camera, you know, and be able to see. So I'm gonna try to stay in focus so you guys can see what I'm doing. And I'm not gonna put concealer on it or anything like that. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks once I finish, you know, just filling it in. I don't want to, you know, do the concealer and shape it and all that. I just want to see what it looks like. Okay. I'm definitely seeing that this light brown could be it for me because I'm not seeing a reddish tint. This is how it's looking. I'm going to show you guys how it looks with concealer and stuff, but I'm not going to show you me putting the concealer on and all that, but I'll show you how it looks with the light brown. But this is how the light brown looks. And we're going to do the dark brown on this one. Okay, definitely can see that this dark brown is too dark, but there's no reddish tint. There's no reddish tint to it, and I'm so happy with that, but I don't think I will be using this dark brown. It's just too dark. Look at that. It's too dark unless I kind of like brush it. Let's see. I'm definitely loving the light one. The light one is what I've been looking for. It looks just, let me take this out. It looks just like this one. This one is perfect. It looks just like it. So that might be my new go-to eyebrow liner. That fills in my liner. Okay, that fills in my eyebrows. Let's see about this one. If I brush it, how is that gonna look? Okay, so this is the dark brown and this is the light brown. I could still use the dark brown if I wanted to, and kind of like maybe it kind of lightened it up a little bit whenever I brushed it. So I might be able to still use the dark brown if I run out or something like that, but I think I'll stick with the light brown. The light brown is my thing. What do you guys think? Now, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like with concealer on it for the light brown, because I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this one off because I can't do this. This is too dark. But I'm gonna show you guys how both eyes look with the light brown, because that's gonna be my new eyeliner, guys. But I just wanted to do a review on this. Let's see. I'm gonna show you guys the light brown again. That's how it looks. Okay. There you go. And I think I'll choose this, but let me know what you guys think. And give me a second, because I will show you guys how it looks with the concealer and everything with the light brown. Okay, guys, this is how it looks with the light brown liner. And I'm gonna show you guys again. This light brown liner, Palladio, I don't know, guys, but this is the name brand. And this is how it looks. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. I love it. It does not give that reddish look. And I'm gonna give you an example of what this is. A brown liner right here, and this is a dark liner. I'm gonna give you an example of how you can tell the difference. See, this has that reddish tint to it. I don't know if you guys could see that. Let me see if I can like put it up a little close to the light. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a reddish tint to that, and I don't too much care for it. And I'm gonna show you guys the dark brown that I got. You can tell the difference. Hold on. This is the dark brown that I got. This is the dark brown right here. In the light, you're able to tell more. There's a little reddish tint to this one. I don't know if you could see that. Let me see if I can put in the light again. See that? And when I go to put it on my eyebrows, you can definitely see it. So I just wanted to show you guys this and give you a review of these liners. I love it. So this is my new go-to liners. Now this small one, I love this one. This one is It was the NYC, guys, the words done got off of it. I don't even know if I can still see it. I think it was the NYC dark brown or light brown. I can't remember which one, but I think it was the light brown. And I used the heck out of this. I love how natural looking it makes my eyebrows. And this light brown, the one that I just bought, is definitely a dupe of it. So I recommend, if you guys like dark brown, then this one might be for you guys, the dark brown one. But the light brown, it gives that more natural look. I guess it depends too on your skin tone, because if you do have a darker skin tone, then this one might be a little better for you. So it kind of depends, but for me, I feel like the light brown is much better. So I don't know if you guys like this reddish tint brown. You know, this says dark brown, so it don't say anything about like red, but you know, not a lot of people notice that, but I do. I'm very particular about, you know, details. So if you like that, then to each his own. I'll use this for a lip liner. That's about it. That is about it. But that is it, guys. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like this video if you guys would like another review on anything. Bye-bye, guys.